This Keller Real Estate and Insurance Agency property video is presented by Joe Cotten. Super cute and ready to move into. Large eat-in kitchen with lots of storage. 2 bedrooms upstairs with 3rd non-conforming bedroom in basement. Basement has a huge family room with pool, ping pong table that stays. Newer replacement windows, aluminum siding, very nice deck and privacy fencing around the backyard. Oversized, detached 1-car garage with extra storage area in the back and separate storage shed. Won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Cotten at 620-792-2128.